Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a card carousel and add it to a Vev website. Let's get started. The card carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Vev editor. In the Vev editor, click on the Add Elements button at the top of the screen and select the Embed Anything element. Drag and place the element on your page. Click the element you've added to the page to open the Embed HTML window. And in the code window, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. You can set the Use Encapsulated Embed option to preview the widget content in the Vev editor. Close the HTML window. And that's it. Now, the card carousel will show on your website.